Thanks for joining us here at www.costa-rica-forum-cosmetic-plastic-surgery.com, the one and only plastic surgery forum that stays independently in Costa Rica. A facelift or rhytidectomy is a type of cosmetic surgery procedure used to give a more youthful appearance. It usually involves the removal of excess facial skin with or without the tightening of underlying tissues and the redraping of the skin on the patient's face and neck. The first facelift was performed in Berlin in 1901 by the innovative plastic surgeon Eugene Hollander. One of his first plastic patients was the Shah of Persia. Facelifts are helpful for eliminating loose skin folds in the neck and laxity of tissues in the cheeks. Facelifts are effectively combined with eyelid surgery and other facial procedures and are typically performed under general anesthesia. In the traditional facelift, an incision is made in front of the ear extending up into the hairline. The incision curves around the bottom of the ear and then behind it, usually ending near the hairline on the back of the neck. After the skin incision is made, the skin is separated from the deeper tissues with a scalpel or scissors over the cheeks and neck. The skin is then redraped. The excess skin is then removed and the skin incisions are closed with sutures and staples. Times needed for facelift surgery in Costa Rica depends on the extent of the procedure, from 1 hour up to 8 hours. Patients are required to stay 2 nights at the clinic and at least 8 days in Costa Rica to achieve a better wound healing. It may take up to 5 days to remove bandages and dressings. Skin of the face may feel numb, and it is quite usual after the procedure. Patients may be advised to keep the head elevated for a few days after surgery. This is to help keep the amount of swelling down. The numbness is usually completely gone after several months. The most common complication can be bleeding, which usually requires a return to the operating room. Complications may include damage to the facial nerves and necrosis of the skin flaps or infection. A facelift in Costa Rica costs usually less than half of the North American standard price. For a complete information and up-to-date price, please visit the facelift section of our plastic surgery forum. www.costa-rica-forum-cosmetic-plastic-surgery.com is a place for the people to share, review, and discuss their experiences about plastic surgery. You can find a lot of information from our warm and friendly members who love to share and are willing to help. Come and join us today. See you inside.